I thought Rob had lost a tire off our shop truck and it went down over the mountain, but it turns out it was off one of Finky's logging trucks. It's down there somewhere. So that meant if we can't find the missing tire, that's going to cost a little bit in the hip pockets, which is not good. So he wanted me to go back up on the mountain with him to see if we could find it. See if you can spot what we're looking for. It's black and there's a lot of black things down there, so it should be interesting to see if we can find it. I asked him why it wasn't tied down and he said, well, there was a ridge and he didn't think it would fall out. And I said, no, that's because there's never any dips or bumps or rocks on a logging road, right? Yeah. Rob was fortunate that he saw the tire bounce out of the back of the shop truck, so he knew approximately where to start looking. Have you seen the tire yet? Well, we haven't either. Keep looking. Rob used that entire battery and we didn't see anything that looked like a tire, so we decided we better just tootle down the mountain and hopefully find it and hope it didn't go all the way to the bottom. Okay. Well, we're coming down the mountain, seeing if we can find the tire.
Show's over, tire.
Who knows where it went? Sassy's helping us. What are you finding, Sassy? Are you finding the tire?
Oh, get me out of here.
You'll do it. I just said a little prayer. Lots of times that works.
Yep.
And it wasn't all the way down at the bottom of the hill. Lucky you.
Yeah.
Says I'm helping. Rob had told me about some baby ducks at this pond, so we stopped to see if they were there, and they were, but they weren't sticking around to have their picture taken. We stopped to pick up our campers, and I couldn't resist taking a picture of this cute little greenhouse.